Most people wait for the future to happen to them. Today, we make the future happen for you. This is a direct transmission from your highest timeline. We are about to delete the victim program and install God mode. By the end of this video, your frequency will have shifted so radically that the world around you will have no choice but to rearrange itself. If you're ready to meet the version of you that has already won, don't move. Your new reality starts now. Healing the broken self. Close your eyes for a second and feel the weight you've been carrying. That heaviness. That's the noise of the old world. You've been trying to numb the parts of you that hurt, thinking that your sensitivity is a weakness or that your past mistakes have disqualified you from greatness. But hear the voice of your future self right now, reaching back through the static of time. I am not disappointed in you. I am proud of you. Every tear you shed was a drop of fuel for the powerhouse you are becoming. Every time you stumbled and felt lost, you were actually being calibrated for a reality so big, your current mind can't even wrap itself around it yet. Your future self is telling you, release the guilt. The person who made those mistakes was operating in survival mode. They didn't have the light you have now. Stop punishing yourself for being a student of life. The version of you that has already made it, the one living in the abundance, the peace, and the absolute sovereignty, is looking back at you with a smile, saying, it was all worth it. You aren't fixing yourself today. You are simply dropping the heavy bags of a timeline that no longer belongs to you. Take a deep breath and feel that ghost of your past dissolving. You are being cleared. You are being emptied. And in that emptiness, the God mode frequency is finally starting to hum. Switching on God mode. Now, feel the shift. This is where we stop talking about the past and start commanding the present. Your future self isn't just a dream, it is a frequency that exists right now in the quantum field. To step into God mode, you must understand one thing: the world does not happen to you, it happens from you. You are the projector, and the world is the screen. If you don't like the movie, you don't fight the screen, you change the film inside the projector. Your future self is calling you to stop trying to manifest and start assuming the identity of the one who already has it. In this new reality, you are no longer a seeker. You are the source. When you move through your day in God mode, you aren't waiting for a sign from the universe, you are the sign. You aren't asking for permission to be wealthy, healthy, or loved, you are claiming it as your natural state. Your future self is whispering, stop playing small to make others feel comfortable. Stop doubting the magic that flows through your veins. Imagine, right now, that every cell in your body is being upgraded to this higher timeline. Every impossible problem you think you have is actually a tiny speck in the eyes of the version of you that has already won. That version of you is not ahead of you, it is inside of you, waiting for you to simply say yes. Feel the power of the I am rising in your chest. You are no longer waiting for the bridge to appear. You are the bridge. Destroying the illusion of time. Here is the secret that your ego doesn't want you to know: time is an illusion designed to keep your power at a distance. We've been programmed to believe that our future self is someone we have to work for, wait for, or earn. But your future self is telling you right now, I am not 5 years away. I am not even 5 minutes away. I am one breath away. In the quantum realm, there is no tomorrow. There is only the frequency you are broadcasting right now. If you are waiting for the money to feel abundant, you are stuck in the old timeline. If you are waiting for the relationship to feel loved, you are still playing the victim. God mode is the realization that you must feel the result before the evidence appears. Your future self is demanding that you stop checking the 3D world for proof. The proof is in your inner awakening. When you look in the mirror, stop seeing the person with the debt, the heartbreak, or the doubt. Look deeper. Look until you see the eyes of the version of you who has already seen the miracles happen. That version of you is standing directly behind you, placing their hands on your shoulders, and merging into your physical body. Feel the shiver down your spine as your nervous system recalibrates to a higher voltage. You are literally overriding your DNA with the code of your success. The old you is a ghost. The current you is a vessel. And the future you is the captain. The gap has closed. The distance is zero. You aren't getting there, you have arrived. Holding the frequency in the old world. Now, a warning, the old reality will try to call you back. Tomorrow, or even an hour from now, the 3D world might present you with an old bill, an old argument, or an old fear. This is the final test. The old timeline is like an echo. It takes a moment for the sound to fade after the voice has stopped. Your ego will scream, "See. Nothing has changed. You're still the same person." But this is where your future self steps in with the ultimate wisdom. Do not react to the shadow. In God mode, you realize that if you react to the old world, you give it life. If you ignore it and stay in your new frequency, it starves and disappears. Your future self is telling you right now, stop looking for evidence in the world to prove you've changed. Be the evidence. When the old fear knocks, don't open the door. Smile at it, because you know it's a ghost of a version of you that no longer exists. You are now the observer, not the victim. You are the mountain, and the clouds are just passing thoughts. Every time you choose your new frequency over an old reaction, you are physically rewiring your brain and anchoring yourself into the higher timeline. You aren't faking it until you make it. You are being it until the world reflects it. This is the ultimate spiritual maturity, to stand in the middle of the storm and know, with every fiber of your being, that you are the one who commanded the wind to blow in the first place. Shifting the physical vessel. Your future self is now moving beyond your mind and into the very cells of your physical body. Understand that the old version of you was literally stored in your muscles, your nervous system, and your DNA as a series of survival programs and limited beliefs. But right now, in this sacred communion, you are performing a biological upgrade. Your future self is whispering, "Let me in." Feel the warmth starting at the base of your spine and rising up into your crown. This is the frequency of the version of you that has already succeeded, flushing out the cortisol of stress and the adrenaline of lack. You are no longer a person trying to think better thoughts. You are a biological vessel that has been retuned to a higher dimension. Every cell is now vibrating with the I am presence, shedding the density of the old world like dead skin. This is the God mode physicalization. Your posture is changing, your breath is deepening, and your eyes are beginning to see through the veil of the material world into the field of infinite potential. You aren't just imagining a new life, you are literally building the nervous system capable of holding that much power, that much love, and that much wealth. Your future self is confirming that the impossible is now your baseline. The physical world has no choice but to respond to this new radiation you are emitting. You are the sun, and your reality is the planet that must orbit your new gravity. The shift is no longer coming, it has been written into your very code. You are the living evidence of a collapsed timeline. The eternal covenant. This is the final seal, the moment where the bridge collapses because you have finally stepped across it. Your future self is no longer a voice in the distance, it is the very breath in your lungs and the fire in your soul. Hear this final promise from the version of you that has seen the end from the beginning. I am you, and you are me, and we are the power that moves the stars. There is no longer a past self to heal and no longer a future self to chase. There is only the eternal now, where you stand as a living God in a human vessel. Every doubt you ever had was just a shadow that disappeared the moment you turned on the light. As you move out of this video and back into the world of form, you do not go back as the person who started watching. You go back as the architect. You go back as the authority. Your future self is telling you that the miracles you've been begging for are already in your pockets. You only had to stop clenching your fists to see them. This is the God mode activation. This is the inner awakening. Take one last, deep, cosmic breath and feel the DNA of your success vibrating at a frequency the world can no longer ignore. You have done the work. You have claimed the throne. The timeline is fused. Now, walk into your world and watch it bow to the divinity you have finally remembered. It is done. It is written. And it is so. You will thank yourself. As you stand here in this new vibration, your future self is leaning in to share one final, intimate truth. The moment you decided not to skip this, the moment you chose to stay and listen, was the exact moment the old world died and the new one began. You are going to look back on this very hour from a life of such immense beauty, such effortless abundance, and such deep inner quiet, and you will feel a wave of overwhelming gratitude for the version of you sitting here right now. You will thank yourself for having the courage to believe in the invisible when the visible world was screaming for your attention. You will thank yourself for finally putting down the heavy armor of the struggler and the seeker to finally become the finder. Your future self is already celebrating the day you stopped running and started being. In that timeline of your highest potential, the one you have just fused with, you are living the proof that a single shift in consciousness can rewrite an entire destiny. Every time you walk through your new home, every time you feel the peace of a healed heart, and every time you see your dreams manifest as physical reality, a part of you will whisper back through time to this exact second, "Thank you for listening. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for waking up." The gratitude of your future self is the most powerful fuel in the universe, and it is washing over you right now, sealing this timeline forever. You didn't just watch a video, you answered the call of your own greatness. The search is over. The harvest has begun.